Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with some new digital prints and I'm so excited for these. They're so cute. So they are little owls and there's 4 different facial expressions, if you will. So you have like the, whoa, what's going on? And then kind of like, oh, I'm starting to get sleepy. That one, he looks, to me, he almost looks like he's making him smile with the eyes closed. And this one looks like he's asleep. And then when you go down like this, you have the plain owl here. And then you have this part and this part where it has polka dots. This one has stripes. This one has like a little grid. And I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera just because I can't go close enough because there's all kinds of things up that's stopping me, like cords. But this one has texture. So in person, you can see the texture and it makes it different than that one. It has some texture on it. Okay, so I'll show you all the different colors. And this one, we call him Fluffy. So that's his name, Fluffy. And so this is the blue. This is the bright orange. So it comes in all our colors. We haven't done the color families yet. I'll have to sit down with him and say, okay, in this color family, do this color. And so that's probably going to be a different week. But for this week, we only have the 2-inch, approximately 2-inch owls ready. And we have 2 different kinds. So, and then you have brown and same thing, 4 different owls and then 5 different textures. Then dark gray, then green, then light gray, then mint. So that's going to be an exclusive for my patrons. Then more yellow, then orange, then peach. And for the first time, I've put them in the order of the colors, like alphabetically. So it makes it so much easier. Pink, purple, and red. Oh, I love that. Red and turquoise and yellow. And then we have like the stamped image or the sketchy one. And this is a free digital file when you buy the bundles. And right now, all our bundles are 50% off. So the one single sheet is 25% off. But if you buy, let's say, this whole bundle, then you get 50% off. Plus, you get this for free. This is as a freebie, as a thank you. Okay, so now the second owl, he's not fluffy. So the second owl kind of has a rounded face. So this one here, and he's got different wings. So instead of the fluffy face, it's a rounded face and the rounded wings. So we'll go through them again and again with the polka dots, the stripes, the grid, and the texture. And brown, I can't wait for them to be in the 3 different sizes. That'll come up next week. Bright orange. And I printed 2 bright orange. I don't know why, but I did. It's okay. I use quite a bit of orange. So dark gray, green, light gray, mint, again exclusive for my patrons, more yellow, and then orange, and peach, purple, red, turquoise, yellow, and again, the sketchy or the stamped image free when you purchase the bundle. So if you're interested, you can go to NicoleJones911.com, go to class/store under embellishments, and you can purchase a single file or you can purchase them in bundles. And I think we're up to 90, this will be 91 and 92 bundles. So that's how many different shapes and things that we have available. And of course, in our sort of exclusive colors. Now, next week, there's going to be the different sizes. And then I'll see if we can maybe do the 2-inch size in our color families too. And that's it. These are our new digital prints that are available in the shop this week. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.